Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. It is time for another speaker comparison during my lunch. The Razer phone, speaker, front dual speakers, front firing speakers. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, the Challenger. It's the newest member of my smartphone family, so this device is going to take on the Razer phone. Earpiece doubles up as a speaker, and down at the bottom right hand corner we have a speaker. Now, I have already uploaded a video with the ZTX on 7 being challenged by the S9 Plus. Go watch that video if you haven't. I am mic'd in. A lot of you have requested that I be mic'd in. I don't mind doing it either way, whether I'm mic'd in or not, but because there has been an overwhelming request to be mic'd in, I will be mic'd in. It is clipped to my steering wheel. Both devices, Dolby Atmos, the Razer phone. You have movie, music, game, voice, custom. Okay, and I've chosen music. And we will be using the Google Music Player. Now, you cannot, from what I've gathered through my experiences with my smartphones, when you have the option of having Dolby Atmos turned on, if that functionality, that feature is on a smartphone, a third-party player will not work with that. It will automatically turn off. Now, if you have found a player from the Play Store, third-party, that works with that functionality turned on, let me know down below, okay? I don't know everything. So on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, turned on as well, and we have a few options there, and music is the option that I have chosen. And we're going to go to the music player, which is the Google Music Player. I have some music that I've chosen to play. Some of it you will recognize from the ZTE Axon 7 challenge with the S9 Plus, and I've changed up a couple tunes. I got five tunes on each smartphone that I'll be playing. Again, I am mic'd in, and as I play the music, I will make sure that you see that the volume's turned all the way up. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Razer phone. I almost said ZTE Axon 7. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Razer phone. Enjoy. Turned all the way up. Dolby Atmos is on. The S9 Plus. shout out to Rip, R.I.P. He wanted me to play a tune from NCS. It's free, non-copyrighted music. This is for you, First Rain. Thanks for watching, man. Appreciate it. The Razer. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Man, Samsung, man, just killed it. Just killed it with the 2-speaker setup on this device. These are some good challenges with the ZTX on 7 already up there ready for you to watch. And now the Razer phone, almost said ZTE again. 2 devices that are hard to beat. Very hard to beat. The S9 Plus definitely holding its own. Leave some information down below. Let me know. I'm not going to let you know what I think. It's up to you. Leave some feedback in the comment section. the Razer, the S9 Plus. And I'm going to send it off with the Razer just because I just dig this device. But the S9 Plus is killing it in so many ways. In so many ways. This device is going to be hard to beat this year in 2018. Yeah, we got the Note 9 coming, and we got a lot of other devices coming. The Note 9 is going to be this with an S Pen and a few more added features, functionality, whatever. But I'm hoping that we have a lot to look forward to with smartphones in 2018 that are going to challenge devices like this. All right? Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for being a part. Please share this video. Leave a thumbs up if you like it, if you love it, if you dig it, and please subscribe if you haven't. I'm out. I don't know. Maybe I will send it off with the S9 Plus. There it is, the S9 Plus. We're out. God bless.